my art into one click. Just show you how to use it and custom it. This is the previously applied result. See, it's fully professional and high definition image, work perfectly, and all materials are HD looking. This is the our old photo and the focus point direction. Then our result is this, and you can change the color combination. You can use the real color combination like this. The photo color replace automatically, or you can change the color anytime, and color change by one click. We have includes many color combination. See, the looking is great. Okay, now I show you. Now first go my download file. There is show brush file and action file and help file. Also I request to read the help file. There is some size and some instruction include. This is our supporting product support related information, and there is the written how to use Photoshop action, and this is very important, the spelling create a new layer. Okay, you can read the help file. So first you can load brush. First load brush, select and double click your brush, then it's loaded your Photoshop automatically. Or you can load brush, manually go window the brush section, click and go there and the low input brush, find out your brush, go my download file and main file there, and main file fine art, and select the brush and load button, click. Now brush is loaded, go window, action option, click action option. Action plate may be show right side, I have set it left side for layer and action separately, showing us understanding purpose. Go there and the load action button, click. Now find out the file, my download file, fine art, fine not art in on to click and select and load button, click. Now it's loaded up and down option, down last one, art in on click by MRI Cocon, and this is the folder, this is the script. Now our loading is complete. Now we want to open a photo and make sure your photo is enough space, left side, right side, top side or bottom side, otherwise our result not come out, result come out but not showing. This is not our action any problem, this is problem your photo. You need to fix the area, like more area for if viewing the brushing looking. I have make the size biggest, and you can use any of size. This is script of working high resolution image, go image size, and I have typed there which is a large amount. I think highest is height is large amount, so I have typed there 4000 pixel. You can use your size, but if you use the more large photo, then it's come out result come out needs some time extra. So I have make the video and need to time saving. Make sure your photo is a lock icon show background layer. If not, then you need to do fix it first, otherwise action make the error. Sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent or layer 0 format, that is not accept the action, you need to fix it. If your photo transparent or layer 0 format, you need to do this step. Right button, click your mouse and fit any option. Now is set a lock background layer, see lock icon. You can use on color background, then fit in the image, it's okay. Okay, now go the option and panel option, small on entire document, news, expand new and add copy all, and all three are tick mark, and as it is my setting. And go your image mode RGB color. If not, then click the RGB color mode, then there is dialog box show, and click OK button, and there is already RGB color my photo. Now we want to create our focus point. You can use the brush tool, you can use the pen tool, you can use the quick selection tool. If you use the brush tool, you can create a new layer and brushing. If you use the pen tool and path, but you can if finish the brushing, then pen tool path can be must be need to delete. So do not do this. I just follow this step shortcut option. I request you. Quick selection tool and select subject button. Show if I select the quick selection tool, there is show select subject button. Then click the select subject button option. Now my focus point is selection and see. Okay. And now create a new layer. Just click new layer. If not layer option show, go window and the layer panel. Okay, just click there and type there new layer, the brush, BRUSS brush, BRUSS brush, and brush any of color. Select the brush, sub brush, general brush, or include this brush is include our brush section, the last one, this one, the sub brush. Okay, now select the brush layer and brush the area which area you need to focus. Okay, see the looking. I think my brushing is okay. I do not need the more, so I only need portrait. If you need the full of area, you can use the full of area. Now my photo is selection mode. If I use selection mode, then action make the error message. You need to deselect first. If not your photo is deselect, you can play the script. But now is selection mode. See the selection, go selection and deselect. Now is deselect option, and I think there is missing some brushing, so I can do this manually. Okay, my brushing is finished. Now I just play the action all in on, and I have brush, select the brush layer, select all in one and hit the play button. Now start working my action. Just wait and see. It's fully depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. If you use the more large photo, then it's time more extra. I have mentioned some of size in my help file. You can follow this size, or standard size I can mention there, 3500 pixel or 300 pixel or 400 pixel or 4500 pixel. Okay, hello there, action is done working. Now we can custom there is more layer and view. So we have attached more color combination and more effect looking. You can use all of them. This is on kind of result, and you can use another result. If you use this real color combine, you must be do not like the back support the color option. You can uncheck the color option. You can use the shade version. You can use another shade version. If you want, you can use it. This is the another option, and another spark dropping option. And this one is not perfect show of real color replacement looking. If you use this one and must be use this one, then this one is the working nicely. See, there is show now, and this one also. And this is the extra looking background, and another extra darkness, our middle center, and another dark setting. Changing, you can change the background anytime of anytime. You can background color, double click this one and pick the color yourself. Any of color you can choose. Okay, I have less this one. Okay, or I have used some of color. If you want to transparent PNG, you can check out this one, and I off this one, the background layer, background color 1, or background. Now your photo is transparent background mode. You can save the PNG format or use any of area file and export, and a quick export as PNG. Okay, now we can save the PNG very easily. And now I have go the top, and there is the color combination. You can check the color. You can use the dual color combination like this one or this one. Uncheck this one and this one. Use this one. There is another one, and double click this one, color changing. So you can make color change very easily. The this one is a fatness color. You can uncheck this one and another color changer. See, and double click. You can make color change very easily. Now I show you another color changing. Click this one and double click this icon, and you can move the color changing option. See, our color is changed. Is very easy. See the looking, and uncheck this one. This is our default setting. So, and you can combine the dual another one or use another one dual. If you uncheck this one and use this one, there is another looking and another looking, and our another color changer. See, this is another mode. You can use all of them. Just check it who is one you like most. Double click and see another one, the one color changer. You can change this one, this photo. I think this color is nice, and there is extra color effect, fatness, and another one and another one. Okay, but I think I changed this color now, and I just show you one setup. And there is one photo and extra top photo too. See, this is the real photo. This one is a real photo, and this one is a painting style looking. So this is the painting style looking, and there is the top option. See, the top color is changing. Include your photo. If you don't like the face color, the color change, you just select the max point and brush the face color. Now is remove your face color. This is extra tricks, and if you need to some extra, select the max point and top color black, and you brush select and sub brush. Then you can brush the area. If you think need to some of area in fatness. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, now I show you another photo. This is script nicely working any type of image, animal, portrait, landscape, any type of image. I just make first size, and you can pick the color and replace the white color. Also you can pick color, rust color, or border rust color, or photo lust color. Okay, just make sure your subject is okay. Now you have a brushing, select quick selection tool there, and select subject button. I have click. Okay, sorry, double click and brush, and I have brushing. I do not fill overall area, I just need this area only. Okay, I think selection, deselect and miss this area. I just fill up this one. If crop tool, I think it need two more extra. Okay, and I have already brush layer select, and I check out image size, my video time saving. Okay, it's good, and I just select and hit button click. Now start working. uh, you can check out all color combination and dual color combined is very nice, and all layer are separate our back art. You can custom back art manually. We just set a default one. Okay, see this one, this looking is very nice, and every material are HD quality. Change color combination, darkness, color combine. Wow. Sorry. And you can check out the all layer there, making layer is there include. See, so you can work there part by part, and adjustment, double click adjustment. Okay, you can check out color tone, the adjustment. If I uncheck the color, this one, and now we can use the adjust. Just see the looking, and okay, now we can see perfectly. Okay, so you can make the adjust yourself very easily. This is another darkness combination. Okay, thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, we can send a message our profile MRI Studio and MRI Cocon. Also you can email me and live chat with us, our Facebook fan page or our WhatsApp number. You can ask any question related of our product or graphics design. Please read this item if you like this item, and you can download our free file, like this one is a free, and more file is free, and discount bundle offer is going on. And visit our site, and free section use total free, and our premium file also download there in discount price.